little artists. Today, we're about to embark on a sweet and chilly adventure. What's on the menu? Ice cream, of course. Are you ready for a delicious art session? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers because we're about to create some mouth-watering ice cream treats together. Let's dive into a world of sweetness and creativity. Imagine your favorite ice cream. Now, let's bring it to life. Draw the ice cream and don't forget to add a cherry on top.
Awesome!
Now, let's create another delightful treat, a cone ice cream. Draw a cone shape and add a swirl of creamy goodness on top. And for our third masterpiece, let's get creative with a watermelon slice-shaped ice cream. It's sure to be a refreshing twist.
Wow!
Now that our ice cream trio is complete, let's make those outlines very bold and sharp to make them pop off the page. Now, let's add a burst of color to our delicious treats. Are you ready to name some delightful hues? Light purple color. Red color. Dark purple color. Magenta color. Green color. Yellow color. Green color. Magenta color. Brown color. Red color. Tada! Our mouth-watering ice cream treats are ready to be devoured, with our eyes, of course. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Until next time, keep creating, keep smiling, and have a fantastic time with your art. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.